Well, it's the fate that all cranky things face eventually, whether you be tripping over the 10 millimeter when you're not looking for it, or your apprentice doesn't clamp something quite right in the drill press and gets hit with it and ejects himself directly into it, snaps it off. But anyway, I had already milled a flat on here and drilled and tapped it at 1/4 20. All I need now is a handle. Well, I have this 1/4 20 bolt here and these just rounds that Dad cut out with the hole saw when I think he was making hinges for a laydown ramps on the gooseneck deck over. But anyway, just rounds here, and you see they got some nasty burrs on them. What we're gonna do to take care of those and keep them pretty round is we're gonna, well, you see we got it on this bolt here. We're gonna chuck this up and that beauty right there, and we're gonna do our best to turn it down so we ain't puncturing ourselves here. Chucked up there, kind of semi, sort of straight. I mean, it's on the threads and I couldn't help that, so it'll work for what we're doing. Got her turned up to 11. Gonna give her a go. That's a bit harder than I thought. That's not bad. We'll give her a little more, and then we'll polish her up with the emery cloth here. I think it's sandpaper. Maybe it's emery cloth. I don't know. It's just an abrasive paper, you know. Never use a file without a handle. Well, I'm breaking that rule, so whatever. But anyway, just an old farmer's trick. Stick a corn cob on the end of it. See it done a lot of times, and it does work pretty well, at least till the thing busts apart. I mean, you can get fancy and drill a hole in it. It'll last a bit. Well, it won't crack so fast, but just a cool thing. People got by, you know. I think we got her round enough now. Pretty decent. Only had her helicopter on me a few times because I'm not supposed to check up on threads. We're gonna give the armor cloth a try. Honestly, I think maybe I should have started out with this, but I'm really loving this new motor I bought for 20 bucks at an auction. The original one was just about dead. This brand new one's quiet. Love it. pretty smooth. That'll do nicely. I'm not even using this top one. I just put it on there because it could. It's way out of round for whatever reason. I really spent way too much time on this. I could have just put it in a vise and did it with a file, but always fun to use stuff for what it's not designed for. Milling on a drill press, using a drill press for a lathe. Yeah. Well. Yeah, that'll do nicely. But anyways, what we're really here for, we have these bastard deck spindles from MTDs. Yeah, that's right, that MTD with these bolts broken off in here. And since the deck on the stupid Craftsman, the MTD made Craftsman, has a broken off leg, I'm gonna try drilling out these so I could put this on there instead. Swap out the good parts from that one out of this. Hopefully should work. But anyways, first go ahead and drill these out. And try to get this set up here so you can see what I'm doing. Got her doubled up on the condoms. Mom on speed dial. Hopefully she doesn't go anywhere. That drill bit's kind of unproven. I've never actually used it before, but yeah, it's pretty sharp. It should work. It should. Hopefully she doesn't rattle off her rocker there. Looks good so far. You fuck. This chuck on this drill press is really bad. Doesn't grip on anything really. Let's try that again.